Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Frozen City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the settings icon at the right side of the screen, and here you can find the third option, the notifications, and click to the locked button, or tap to the or go to the settings on your device and enable the app notifications and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.